Hey guys, a lot of people say that community edition of Odoo is a limited edition. But you know what? There are a lot of ways to fill these gaps. And most of the businesses do that, but still you guys don't know what it is. So today I'm here to help you to fix those missing gaps between the community edition. Missing feature number 1, full accounting features. So y'all know community is limited and it doesn't have a very advanced accounting module. Okay, we have a module called invoicing, which is not that advanced as the one that you can find in the enterprise edition. So is there a way to fix it? Yes. So without paying, for absolutely free, you can actually fix this problem. Have you guys heard about the OCA, which is the Odoo Community Association ecosystem? Inside this, you can you have this Odoo app store. Okay, where you have a lot of third-party modules, which are obviously there are paid ones as well as free ones. So there are a lot of third-party add-ons which you can download and use it with your community version. So it will be, there are a lot of modules which are tailored for the community edition of Odoo. So you can get an advanced accounting module by using this OCA. Okay, inside the OCA ecosystem, you can actually get any kind of accounting module. So you will be having multiple options to choose as well. So go there and check for the module that you want. Features and all will be given in the apps while you are downloading it. So from there, once you install the module, you can actually fix this advanced accounting issue in the community edition. Missing feature number 2, no proper automations. The fact about this is that it's partially true. Okay, there are some missing automations here, but it's not fully true because we do have automations here. Okay, so there are ways to fix this. Like if you are working on inventory, sales, purchase and all, try to follow the workflow so that you will get minute automations inside each of these workflows. If you're using the sales module, from creation of the quotation to the end of confirming it to the sale order, to the end of the invoice and payment, a lot of automations takes place. So as soon as you confirm a sale order, a delivery is automatically triggered. Okay, so this is kind of an automation, not kind of an automation, this is an automation. So try to follow these workflows so that you can fix that automation issue. The third missing feature is the subscription management. So you might have noticed that there is no recurring plans and all inside the community version. And how to fix it? A lot of startup companies basically uses lightweight add-ons from the OCA. Along with that, they do the recurring quotations and recurring bills and all, the invoices and all. So it actually kind of imitate what a subscription module do. So that is how you can basically fix it. The next missing feature is digital signature and approval. Yes, inside the community edition of Odoo, the digital signature and all is limited. Like there is a limit for what you can perform over the documents and all. Okay, so what most people do or most of the companies do to fix it is that they combine Odoo with tools like the DocuSeal and all, so that this issue can be fixed. So I think in that case and all, like that's a missing feature, but still you can fix it with the other outside tools like the DocuSeal. Feature number 5, which is missing, is the advanced dashboard and the reporting. So I don't completely agree with that point, because in community, there is a limit in the reporting and the dashboard. The visuals and all are pretty much limited because in certain modules we have the dashboard and here it is missing. But how can you fix it? Even in the community version, you have a lot of views like the pivot view, graph view. So each of these views, that is each of these reporting views, can actually give you a very detailed idea on whatever the data is. Okay, so if you are taking the sales module itself, like if you want the report on the sales, it obviously has a reporting section, and each of the report can be viewed in different other views as well. So this is going to give you a clarification and give you more visual treat on how everything works on your organization. So yeah, it can be fixed using the different views that is provided by the community. The 6th feature that's missing is the help desk and the service workflow. So yeah, here it is limited. The service workflow is limited and you don't have this thing. So what most people do is that to fix this issue, they use the project module. Okay, so inside the project module, they actually imitate what we are doing in the help desk. So that is surprisingly effective in most of the companies. So you can try it out. Last but not the least, we have the advanced multi-step business flows. So most of the people think that this is a very important thing that is missing in the community edition. But actually you can do, for fixing it, you can actually combine the different modules and work with the workflow. So you have modules like the CRM, purchase, sales, inventory and all can be combined together, and this can be used. So most of the people do this and they obviously have a very effective result there. So these are the basic, missing features that I have listed out in the community edition, and I have also said some fixes. So one more thing that I have to note inside the double quotes is that free fixes doesn't mean replacement. Okay, so I am putting out ways for y'all to try out to fix these issues. So not directly you can fix it by doing everything. There will be certain adjustments or customization that you will have to do over this changes. So it's something better than nothing. Okay, so that's how you can fix it. So obviously you all know community is limited, but I'm saying that this limited feature also can be explored and we can create a whole lot of new things from the community edition. So you guys must have to go on and try this, and if you know about any missing feature and any free fixes, please do comment below and let me know. Okay, so that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching and see you guys in the next video.